Okay, hi everyone. Today we will learn how to make slip stitch with slip stitch. You will make it that. Follow this instruction, and a slip stitch has the abbreviation is SL. Yeah, SL means slip stitch. So you will put your hook under this, yarn over, go through this and go through this together. Okay, let's go through, yarn over, go through. You can follow this. You can pause or make this video slowly so you can follow this more accuracy. Now I finished this row with single crochet with slip stitch here. You can see the slip stitch will start from here, and below is double crochet. So the slip stitch would be lower compared with single crochet, and the back side would be a little bit thicker. Okay, thank you.